a student at Flatiron. This project is CLI application that have been done by me and Paul. So let me open it. If I try to run the program, it takes us to welcome to the kitchen and asking welcome, are you current user? So if I try to say no, then what would you like your username to be? I say, and what would you like your password to be? I'm gonna just create any password, and it takes me to the main menu, which is having 6 or 7 options. The first one is listing all the recipes, and the second one is finding a recipe by ingredients, and the third one, find a recipe by title, find a recipe by calories, find a recipes by time, and show recipe in my kitchen, and take me to log out if I want to log out. So the first one, if I click on it, it will list for me all the recipes that I could look over. Let's say I like the first or the third, like the chicken paprika. When I click on it, it will show me the title, it will take me to the description where the link showing all the description, the calories, and the time to prepare that one. I have the option to add this recipe to my kitchen, where I will store all the recipes that I would like, or go back to the menu where I could look over other recipes. So let me hit add this recipe to my kitchen, and if I go to show recipe in my kitchen, I will be able to see the chicken paprika. And if I can have also the option of delete this recipe from my kitchen or going back to the menu. The second option, can have find recipe by ingredients. So say I clicked, I have a chicken breast, I have a large onion, I have a red pepper, and a sun-dried tomato. I could also have salt. So I returned the 2 options that I could make those recipe with. So I have, let's see, this one. It will show me the recipe, and from there also I can add this recipe to the kitchen. If I go to the third option, find recipe by title, I could write, say, chicken, or let's this time try to do something about beef. So I do have all the recipes that it contain beef. I select add it to mine, or I back to the menu. I could also, if I'm strict in calorie, I could add the number of calories, let's say 1000 calorie. It will return for me the recipes that it have 1000 calorie or less, so I could add that one as well. I could also search by time of cooking. I could add any time. Let's say I want something in like 30 minutes. It will return for me all the recipes that it could be done in 30 minutes. I could add it as well. I could also show the recipes, so all the recipes that I have added to my kitchen, it will show up here, and easily I can see it. If I back to the menu to log out, I could also back to log in, and I will find all the recipes over there. I could add to my kitchen more recipes. I could look for other recipes. I could delete as well from my kitchen. Thank you.